In the video 1 we have seen about a series DC excited circuit. Now we'll see the parallel DC excited circuit. So let me take three resistances in parallel with each other and with a DC source. Let us take firstly the resistances. So by clicking on it you can find the resistances by in the resistors column. So let me take the resistance 2 ohms and then 3 ohms and then maybe I'll take for 4 ohms. 4 ohms. Okay, and then I need the basic supply, so let me go for the sources and the DC power and the DC voltage. So let me take the DC voltage here, and I need also the ground, so I'll take the ground also. Okay, now I'll close this. So now I'll connect by left click on it. I'll connect the resistance R1 and the resistance R2 is connected to the circuit. Resistance R3 is also connected to the same circuit, and then the similar fashion I'll connect to the resistance R2 and resistance R3 other end of the circuit, and the negative terminal of the circuit is connected either to here I can connect or I can connect here. So in let me connect properly. So I'll connect like this way. So this ground is connected here. Now my main aim is, see, this voltage either you can connect here or you may connect to this point. Both are same. Okay, so whatever the position you want to connect, you can connect. Now my main aim is I want to find out voltage across R1, voltage across R2, voltage across R3. So for this, firstly I'll take the tectonic scope oscilloscope. So with this tectonic scope oscilloscope, probe 1 I'll connect here, probe 2 I'll connect here, and probe 3 I'll connect here, and the ground I am connecting, since these are all connected common, I can connect ground here. Okay, these all are connected. Now if I want to find out the current here, just I need to take the multimeter and put it here, and multimeter is all means, I mean this is since this is a multimeter I'm using as ammeter, so I need to connect this ammeter in series with the circuit. So let me take the positive terminal of this circuit here and the negative terminal of the circuit here. Okay, now let me switch on, let me run the simulation by pressing F5. Once I press F5, you can notice that the simulation might be running here. You can notice that the simulation might be running here. So if you want to find out the value of the current, so go for A. So here the current is 6 amperes of current that is flowing through it, and you can even find out the voltage by double clicking on it. So for maximizing this thing, just power on this one and go for auto set. Since I have connected 3, you can see channel 1, channel 2 and channel 3. So they have taken channel 1 as 50 volts, channel 2 as 50 volts and channel 3 as 50 volts each division. So you can find out the voltage here and each and every instant. But you can go and find out the value. Now switch off the circuit, close it and stop it. And sometimes you may need to know for variable resistances. Okay, for variable resistance in the sense, suppose if I want to change the resistance to 2.2 ohms, yes, I can change it to 2.2 ohms. I can run the circuit again and I can find the value of the current here again. So means by simply seeing that, I mean I can increase 2.4, I can check the current. So see, whenever you are increasing the resistances, automatically the current is reducing. the current is getting reduced. You can observe here 4.76. So the current is gradually decreasing. That is how we can see. Also, instead of this, you can go for another kind of resistance also, like variable resistances. Delete here and go to basics. In the basics, go to variable resistances. Go with variable resistance of 1 kilo ohms, or you can say 10 ohms. You can go. Basically, for instance, I am telling. Okay, then close it and connect this terminal, I mean wire, with the help. Now you can check the current here, how much current is going, and whenever I am increasing the value of the resistances, okay, you can automatically see how much the current is changing here. If I increase more value of resistances, the current is changing here. This is how you can place your variable resistance also into the circuit, and you can find the values.